We'll take a look at the conditions outside. Now, yesterday, if you were out and about, we did catch some nice sunshine. Those temperatures, though, ended up a little bit cooler than we've been used to. 59 was the high here in Eugene. That's the first time this week that our temperatures have not made it at least into the 60s, if not low 70s. Here's the thing, though, 59, that's actually 2 degrees above average for this time of year. So cooler than what we've been used to, but warmer than we typically see this time of year. 56 was the high in Corvallis, also 59 in Roseburg, mid-50s along the coast. And those of you in Central Oregon perhaps seeing the most dramatic change, because on Tuesday your highs were in the 70s, and then the next day, 24 hours, barely even making it to 50 there in Redmond. And then tonight we'll continue to see that drop all the way down to about 40 degrees. So cold air mass definitely moving in. We're already starting to see a few of the showers associated with this storm right along the coastline there. Not many of those making it inland just yet. They'll get here eventually. We are seeing, though, clear skies over Eugene. The dew point and the temperature both at 39 degrees. When those are the same number, means we're also seeing some fog forming. So we'll have to put up with the fog again this morning. Winds are from the southwest at about 3 miles per hour. It's also chilly in Roseburg at 40, mid-40s along the coast. And when you head up to the pass and over to Central Oregon, many folks down to that freezing mark or below 30 right now for those of you near Redmond. So here's a look at this storm system. First of all, deep trough of low pressure sitting just offshore. That jet stream again shooting straight down from the south. Very cold Arctic air mass is moving now over the Pacific Northwest, and that's why we're seeing our temperatures drop so rapidly and so far. Now at the surface, we also have this area of low pressure. We see counterclockwise flow with this. Now this storm started up in northern Canada. It's been over land, over dry air for most of the time. It moved out over the ocean over the past 24 hours, just long enough to pick up a little bit of moisture. So we're not going to see a ton of rain with this storm, but we will see some isolated showers off and on. Now, over the next 24 to 48 hours, what's going to happen is that storm will move right down the Oregon coast, and then it's going to move in through southern Oregon here on Friday. That means that Coos County, Douglas County, and further south into southern Oregon will see the best chances for rain inland. Again, right now it's just there along the coast. Those of us in Eugene, just a few isolated showers, and the further north you go, the better chances for dry conditions. All of us, though, seeing that cold air, and that means we're seeing low freezing levels. So again, rain along the coast, freezing level 3,000 feet this afternoon. And so we start to see some snow over those higher elevations. By Friday, that freezing level drops to 2,000 feet. Not much precip left. A little bit of snow up at the pass. By Saturday, that freezing level drops to the surface. At the same time, though, we're out of rain. So we will see dry but very chilly conditions to kick off the weekend. For the coast, you're looking at about 50 for the high today. Could also see an isolated thunder shower in the works there today and tomorrow. Dry for the weekend, rain returns Monday. For the Umpqua Basin, high about 50 today. We will see those scattered showers. We'll see highs staying again in the low 50s and upper 40s for the next 7-day stretch. For the Cascades, freezing level 3,000 feet, mid 30s. We will see snow showers off and on for the next 3 days. Central Oregon, low 40s. Snow rain mix this afternoon. A little bit of snow overnight, could pick up an inch as we head into Friday morning. And for the valley, we're looking at those high temperatures at just 49 degrees today in Eugene. It will be cold. We'll see an isolated shower. It's going to get even colder overnight. 33 Friday night, dry conditions Saturday and Sunday.